Welcome back to Innovin Foods. Today we are cooking a dish that's juicy, garlicky and full of flavor, garlic butter shrimp recipe. It's quick, easy and perfect for seafood lovers. Let's get started. Take 250 grams of clean shrimps. Add a half teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper powder and half a teaspoon of red chili powder. Mix well and let it rest for 10 minutes. In some cultures, shrimps are considered a symbol of celebration and special occasion. Heat 1 tablespoon oil and 1 tablespoon butter in a pan. Place the shrimp pieces and fry on medium heat until both sides turn golden. Shrimps are one of the fastest cooking proteins. Most take just 3 to 4 minutes to cook. Pat shrimps dry before frying to get a nice shade. Shrimps are high in protein but low in calories. Garlic supports heart health and boosts immunity. Make a little space in the pan. Add 3 to 4 finely chopped garlic cloves. Cook for 30 seconds until aromatic. Garlic has been used in cooking over 5,000 years. The combination of butter and garlic is one of the most universally loved flavor pairing. Add half a teaspoon of chili flakes. A handful of chopped coriander leaves and 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. Add lemon juice at the end to keep the flavor fresh and bright. Stir gently and cook for another 30 seconds. Avoid overcooking shrimps. They turn rubbery if cooked too long. Lemon juice is a great source of vitamin C. Shrimps are rich in omega-3 fatty acid, which support brain function. And there you have it, golden juicy garlic shrimps bursting with flavor, perfect with rice, pasta or as a snack on its own. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like and share this video. Subscribe to Innovin Foods for more delicious ideas. Tell us in the comments, do you prefer shrimp spicy or buttery? Stay tuned, more quick and tasty recipes are coming your way.